Love and lights to you, beautiful souls, on this golden Sunday. It is I, Golden Goddess Capriel, and I posted a video and it got booted off last week on Friday. And the video was all about this golden age that we have entered into. Literally, we have entered into the golden age according to my sources. Now, the changes that we've been feeling, the aches and pains I talked about on the last or the previous video, has a lot to do with this. Because we're going through these bodily changes, we have to be prepared to be living in this new dimensional era. So, what I wanted to do today as I'm taking this beautiful, beautiful walk, how are you? On this beautiful trail here down in Palos Verdes, California, another little area I'm checking out right outside or south of LA. And so I wanted to share the sunset, the golden sunset in this golden state, but the sun is clouded and a little jaded today. But I'm going to show a view or clip at the end of this video. But essentially, well, maybe I can show a little bit of the view behind. But what I essentially wanted to make sure I shared with you all is how to take advantage of this golden age intro, this era intro. Yeah, I don't know if that came out right, but that's okay. You get my point. During this current phase, we have, it's like being rebooted and reset. And when you reboot and when you reset anything, it comes out newer, brighter, shinier. So anything that you decide you want, anything you desire to manifest in your life will come through for you bigger, bolder, brighter, and faster. If you remember how golden you yourself are, on top of the fact that you're in this golden age, on top of the fact of where you came from, the greatness that you come from, the gods that you come from. Knowing those simple things, doing those things, and it's not as hard as it seems. You know, sometimes we get on YouTube and we watch videos as a human race, and we say, this person knows more about how to manifest than I, but you manifest every day and you may not even recognize it. It is a groove and a channel you have to stay within, but right now that groove and that channel is like wide open. It's like a Broadway. And so what I want for you all to practice the next 30 days is to sit back, think of exactly everything that you want, everything you're going to be manifesting for your life, for yourself. Write it down and every day revisit it. Every single day, affirm it, visualize it, believe it, know that it is yours to have, know that you deserve it. When you begin to do those things, you will see your life change and become the gold that you have been desiring to have all of these years. All right, so I decided to take a walk. Area got crowded. I think people get nosy sometimes. But anyway, yeah, taking advantage is more than just writing it down and visualizing it, though. The most important part is remembering that you are deserving of receiving the blessing. So this is a mindset change and an upgrade, but it is something that you just have to activate and recognize that you are deserving of every damn thing that you could set your mind and your eyes on. If you want it, you can have it. You do have to put a little elbow grease in it sometimes, but you can have it. So when you write that list out, these next 30 days, I want you to remember that you must deprogram yourself. We must unplug that old program that says, "Ooh, that's too big. Ooh, I can't have that. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know if I can do that." All those need to be tossed in the trash. All those things need to be deactivated, removed, cleared. So, I'm going to do a couple of things with you guys today. I'm going to show you how to clear away those uncertain thoughts. And then I'm also going to show you how to call back your golden energy and protect yourself. And sometime later on this week, we're going to talk a little bit more about protecting your energy and what you can do to assert that within your life or insert that. But for now, let's go ahead and start with the first very important part. Let's talk about the importance of receiving the blessing. So I want you to close your eyes. Relax yourself. Remember where you are. And to clear away all those thoughts that are rambling and chaotically moving in your head, I want you to hit the clear all button. The clear all button that you normally see on a keyboard. Hit that button. That's going to allow the screen of your mind to clear away all the chatter, all the clutter, and all the chaos. Take a deep breath in, and as you release that breath, I want you to recognize that all of it is gone. It's been removed. Then I want you to see the biggest dream or goal in your mind coming true for you. Visualize yourself within this dream and within this goal. Living it, experiencing it, all of it, and being grateful for every part of it as well. And as the sun shines upon you, as it always does, I want you to feel the golden rays penetrating your auric body. And as it penetrates you, it is pouring back into you every ounce of your gold. The gold that is rightfully yours, that you were born with, that you may have given away, have lost, or may have even been taken away. It has given you back your golden power. Receive it. Be less of thought and more receiving. No thinking, just breathing. Breathe in love, breathe in gentleness, breathe in kindness, release gratitude, release joy. And as you feel everything down to its particle level, taking over your body, see all the gold sparkle and shines within you and around you and upon you. And just smile. Life is beautiful, right? It's the greatest gift us souls could ever experience. And now it's time for us to take our power and turn it into the most golden adventure we have ever experienced. So, divine souls, take a deep breath in and release, and open your eyes. Feel the soul power that is surging within you, the golden nuggets that I have left with you. You can activate them whenever you need them. The clearing, the calling back in the power, the visualizing, the receiving, all of those things you can call on any time of the day for yourself. You can play this video as often as you want as well. But just remember, if nothing else, you are deserving and you are receiving everything that the gods have meant for you to have. It is yours for the taking. Sending all my cosmic love to you and kisses.